If you're planning to travel and want to find cheap flights online, Skyscanner is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to book a flight using Skyscanner, even if you've never used it before. Many people think booking flights online is complicated, but Skyscanner makes the process very simple by allowing you to compare multiple airlines and travel websites in one place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to search for flights, compare prices, and complete your booking step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Skyscanner website, or open the Skyscanner mobile app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see the flight search section. Start by selecting the type of trip you want, such as one-way, round trip, or multi-city. Next, enter your departure city in the from field and your destination city in the to field. After that, choose your travel dates. If your schedule is flexible, you can also use the whole month option to see which dates have the cheapest fares. Once you've entered your travel details, click the search button. Skyscanner will scan hundreds of airlines and travel booking websites to find available flights for your route. After a few seconds, you'll see a list of results. At the top, Skyscanner usually highlights three options: the cheapest flight, the fastest flight, and the best option that balances price and travel time. You can also use filters to narrow down the results. For example, you can filter flights by number of stops, airline, departure time, or price range. This helps you quickly find a flight that fits your budget and travel schedule. When you find a flight you like, click on it to view more details. Skyscanner will show different booking providers offering that flight. Choose the option with the best price or the provider you trust, and then click Select. You will be redirected to the airline or travel website to complete the booking. Enter the passenger details carefully, select any additional services if needed, and proceed to the payment page. After you make the payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with your flight ticket and booking details. Summary: in this tutorial, we learned how to search for flights on Skyscanner, compare different options, apply filters to find the best deal, and complete the booking through the airline or travel website. Skyscanner helps you save time and money by showing flight prices from many airlines in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.